Finally got my hands on a Beautylish Lucky Bag. I can't tell you how many years I have tried to get my hands on one of these, and they're always sold out. This year, I actually got lucky enough to get one. Will I get lucky with what's in here? Stick around to find out. And hey, if you're new here, hi, I'm Michelle, and I do different kinds of content over here, a lot of fitness hauls and beauty hauls. So if you wouldn't mind, stick around, hit the like and subscribe button. Comment down below what kind of content you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe for more of my content. So my box showed up on a Sunday of all days, and I go to do my video because I'm excited. Got my new box. I picked up the small for $75. This cost $75. And I get ready to prepare to edit, only to realize that not only was TikTok banned, but my editing app was banned too. So I had to scurry around and find a whole new editing software so I could edit this video and get it up. Everybody's freaking out over the TikTok, and here I'm freaking out over my editing app being gone. It's like, oh no! So now I had to go and get 2 different editing apps so I can edit my videos. But anyway, let's get into what is in this Beautylish Lucky Bag for $75. And I hope I'm going to get lucky. As I said, I picked up the small Lucky Bag. Let's see what is in here. I'm really excited because I've never been able to get my hands on one before. Usually by the time I get in there, they're all sold out. These boxes tend to sell out really fast. So I got one this year. This is what the inside of mine looks like. This is the $75 bag. And of course, it comes wrapped up in almost like a comic book paper. A tag on it. Let's see, can I pull it out? Turned everything upside down. It's kind of cool. I don't know what I'll do with it. It's definitely nice artwork, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm more excited about what's in this box than that. So let's dive right on in here and see. Thing is bubble wrapped up. First thing I got was pimple patches by The Ordinary. Definitely not excited about pimple patches. I don't get pimples anymore. I will not use these. I was really rather hoping for a serum of some sort. I've seen past boxes and usually they get serums or something like that from The Ordinary. So pimple patches, not a good start for me. I'm not very lucky. Next up, it looks like I have a brush. Oh, I got a Wayne Goss brush. I love Wayne Goss brushes. I was actually half expecting to get a Sonia G brush, so I'm really surprised that I got a Wayne Goss because I absolutely love his brushes. Oh, this is looks like a highlighter fan brush. It's just your fan, and that would be used for highlighters. Okay. I do like Wayne Goss brushes. I don't know how excited I am for a highlighter brush. I would have much rather had an eyeshadow brush, but maybe I can get under my brow with that or something. Okay, I am happy about Wayne Goss though. I really was expecting Sonia G because that's what most people were getting. Wayne Goss brush. That's a semi-win. Next in the box is, I'm assuming, a lip by M.O.B. I have never tried this company before. I don't know if anything's ever came in like a
few moments later.
BoxyCharm box. And this is just a clear lip balm by the looks, which I can always use those. My lips are really super dry right now, so it's going to come in handy. It feels really good. Feels good on my lips. It did make them feel more hydrated because right now they are really dry. So, yeah, all right. Next up, I got, what the heck is this? Magic Molecule Skin Cleanser, the solution for all skin types. This is by a company called Magic Molecules. I'm going to look up the prices of all of these and pop them over here also so you can see what all of these are worth. I have never heard of that. Didn't really need another skin cleanser. Well, shoot. I am batting 1,000 here today, aren't I? I don't think I'm very lucky. Last up, I think this is the last thing I can... Oh, I got 2 more things in here. Oh, I got the Natasha Denona Roxa palette. Okay, this is new. I have been watching other people's bags, so I haven't been expecting half of this. I expected the pimple patches of all things. I didn't expect the Roxa palette by Natasha Denona. Did anybody else get this? Comment down below if you got this palette in your box. I haven't seen it yet. This is the Roxa palette by Natasha Denona. I did not buy this palette. It's pretty, and I'm happy to have it. So yeah, I think maybe I'm lucky a little bit. I like that. I love Natasha Denona's formula. She's got a really good formula. But this is one palette I just wasn't going to pick up because I didn't want to spend the money. And I happened to get it. So, yay. And lastly, in our box, oh, geez. Okay. I got a product by Yayyyy. It is a blush bloom. Okay. Uplift me and amuse me. This must be a double blush. I was not expecting this. I was hoping for the Auric. Everybody else was getting like the little single Aurics. I was kind of thinking I was going to get that. But this is by Yayyyy. So this is one of the colors. I can't really see the writing on this here. So I don't know which one is which. If this is Amuse Me or Adore Me. I'm not really sure. But that's a really pretty color. This is definitely something that, had I known about it, I probably would have bought it. And then here's the other color, cheek color. That's really pretty too. Oh, yes. Okay, I really was not expecting that at all. So, yeah, not bad, not bad. I got a couple of things that I really didn't necessarily want, and I got a lot of things that I really wasn't thinking I was going to get. I didn't know they were options watching other people's unboxings. So let's recap. I got the Magic Molecules Skin Cleanser. I got the MOB Lip Balm. I got the Wayne Goss 6-inch fan brush. I got the Natasha Denona Roxa palette. And I got pimple patches, which I'll give probably to my niece. And I got the double-ended Jouer blushes in Uplift Me and Amuse Me. Yeah, love it. All right, so did I get lucky? Let me know down in the comment sections below of some of the items that you have seen in other boxes and if you've seen this combination before, or did I get lucky? Let's total these up. It's supposed to be, I picked up the $75 box, and I believe it was supposed to be a retail value of over $150. So did I hit that retail value of over $150? Let's add them up and see. So I added some things up. Our pimple patches were $8. Our Roxa palette by Natasha Denona is $69. The Magic Molecule Cleanser is $32. Wow, for a cleanser like that. Jouer blushes in the double-ended blushes, $36. The MOB Lip Balm, $24 for that little itty-bitty lip balm. It did hydrate my lips, though. But would I pay $24 for it myself? No, never. This is the worst part. The Wayne Goss brush, the fan brush, is on Amazon on sale for $15.30. So for the total value of my box, I'm actually at $184.30. So I definitely got my value of over $150 for what I paid of $75. I definitely got a good value for the box. So let's go with my thoughts on the box. Do I like it? Yeah, it's not a bad box. I won't complain. There are things I wish I would have gotten instead, but all in all, I won't complain. I did want the Auric, so I'm kind of bummed that I didn't get that. But I got the Natasha Denona Roxa, and I do like that. I like the purples. Definitely didn't want the pimple patches. I could have done without those. And that Wayne Goss brush, I think I would have, I love Wayne Goss brushes. I won't knock them. But I would have rather had one of his eye brushes or a Sonia G. Because I've only got a couple Sonia Gs, and they're good brushes too. So I guess, half a dozen of one, half a dozen of the other. I can't really complain. They are mystery boxes. I bought one because it's a mystery box, and that's what's fun, is the mystery. But gosh darn it, I wish I got a couple different things. Sometimes I think you're almost better off just watching these reviews from other people and buying the stuff yourself on the boxes that you really like and want. That way, you're getting what you want, and it's a win-win. And you might be paying less if you're only buying like one thing. So will I buy one again next year? I don't know. By the time they come out and actually get one on time, I'll decide then. Thanks everybody for watching. What was the most surprising moment for you guys in today's video? Because I was just shook at some of the things I got. Have you seen these items before in other people's boxes? Let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe.